everyone, it's Case. So today I filmed a look based off of my friend Sandy, and it's this monocolored eye, which a lot of the so-called Instagram baddies wear. Her picture, she had pink eyeshadow on, but you could really do this with any colored eyeshadow. That goes for any look ever. It's pretty simple, if I do say so myself. Everybody comments that why I didn't put on a base, like primer, foundation, concealer, bronzer, blush, all that stuff. I don't wear any of that personally because my skin is okay. It's not the best, but it's also not the worst. And I don't feel as though I need to cover up anything with my eye bags, even though they're pretty severe. Everybody has eye bags. You know, some of the things you'd like to see. I have a few looks based off comic book characters because if you know me, you know I love comic books. So alongside a comic book tag, I just don't have many questions just yet. But hopefully I'll be able to film that soon enough. And obviously with all of the digital art I do, more digital speed paints will be coming out. And I hope everybody enjoys them because I really enjoy making YouTube videos, and I hope people enjoy watching them as much as I enjoy making them. Like, comment, share, subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Let me know what you want to see. So stay safe and hydrated.